changed that cold November night. Four mysterious horsemen caught our sentry's sight. We didn't understand at first, but the others made it clear. Our peaceful days are over now. Our battle will soon be here. Dusted off the cobwebs from shields, spears, and guns. I worked all night on rusted swords till the sharpening was done. Fueled by courage, gripped by fear, stuck there in between. I did not fall gracefully into this war machine. The village was defenseless. No moat, no fortress wall. We knew we could not sit back and wait for the hammer to fall. So we gathered up our weapons and waited for the break of day. We saddled up our horses, rode off to seal our fate.